bedroom. Now, my next step is kind of calculating measurements of this soapy stuff that I got that's supposed to clean floors really well. I hope it works, make some people proud that I'm actually cleaning. And yes, this is my handiwork over here. There's the bucket, and I've already started in the corner. I'm gonna make this room awesome. So just kind of gaze around, gaze around. Let's look at this. This is the start to finish. This is the start of Daniel's progress on cleaning this room. By the end of this whole experience, it's going to be pimped out. So anyway, as you can see down here is an empty bed frame. I took the mattress off because it had a gigantic stain. I'm not really sure what the stain was from. It could be a decaying dead body that could have lived in this room, and maybe this room's haunted, I'm not sure. Opening the door could have been a bad thing. Or it could be that rats lived in it and they peed everywhere, or someone urinated on the bed before. It's pretty gross, so I'm gonna have to get a new mattress. And this is kind of what I'm doing for the next week. It's probably gonna be pimping this room out. So any of you that wanna come visit, you'll have a place to stay. Keep it in mind.